これは横浜にある小さな神社です。
Jinja is a Shinto shrine whose main purpose is to house one or more Shinto kami. Chisai, small. Chisana Jinja, a small shrine. Aru, to be, used for inanimate objects. Yokohama is the name of the city. Yokohama ni aru, to be located in Yokohama. And kore means this. This is a small shrine in Yokohama.
これは横浜にある小さな神社です。この神社は根神社と言います。
Jinja, Shinto shrine. Kono means this thing and it must be followed by something. Kono Jinja, this shrine. Ne Jinja, also called Neno Jinja, is the name of a shrine. This shrine is dedicated to Okuninushi Okami, also known as the god of marriage. Iu, to call. Ne Jinja to Iu, it's called Ne Jinja. This shrine is called Ne Jinja.
この神社は根神社と言います。入り口には大きな鳥居があります。
Aru, to be. Torii is a Shinto shrine archway where it symbolically marks the transition from the profane to the sacred. Torii ga aru, there is a torii. Oki means big or large. Oki na torii ga aru, there's a big torii. Iriguchi is entrance. Iriguchi ni, at the entrance. There is a large torii at the entrance.
入り口には大きな鳥居があります。神社の前には両側に狛犬がいます。
Iru, to be, used for animate objects, like living things. Komainu are the stone-made guardian lion dogs at a Shinto shrine. Komainu ga iru, there are guardian lion dogs. Even though they are statues, they are still regarded as living beings, therefore iru is used instead of aru. Ryogawa means both sides. Ryogawa ni, on both sides. Ryogawa ni komainu ga iru, there are guardian lion dogs on both sides. Jinja, Shinto shrine. Mae means in front of. Jinja no mae ni, in front of a shrine. There are guardian lion dogs on both sides in front of the shrine.
神社の前には両側に狛犬がいます。狛犬とは神社を守る獣です。
Mamoru means to protect or to guard. Jinja, Shinto shrine. Jinja o Mamoru, to protect the shrine. Kedamono is a beast. Jinja o Mamoru Kedamono, a beast that protects the shrine. Komainu are the guardian lion dogs. Towa indicates a word or phrase being defined. Guardian lion dogs are beasts that protect the shrine.
狛犬とは神社を守る獣です。右にあ行で、左に運行です。
Migi means right. Migi ni, on the right. Agyo is literally translated as the A shape. It's the statue with the open mouth. Migi ni agyo, open-mouthed form on the right. Hidari, left. Hidari ni, on the left. Ungyo is literally translated as the Un shape, and it's the statue with the closed mouth. Hidari ni ungyo, closed-mouthed form on the left. There is always a pair of guardian lion dog statues, each in one of their respective shapes. These shapes are collectively referred as A-un, and de connects these two sentences, meaning and. Open-mouthed form on the right and closed-mouthed form on the left.
右にあ行で、左に運行です。ここに猿田彦様の像もあります。
Koko means here. Saruta Hiko is a Shinto kami, a deity. Sama is an honorific used after a person's name, similar to Mr., Mrs., and so on. Zou is a statue. Sarutahiko sama no zou, a statue of Sarutahiko. Mo means also. Aru, to be. Sarutahiko sama no zou mo aru. There is also a statue of Sarutahiko. Here is also a statue of Sarutahiko.
ここにサルタヒコ様の像もあります。これは拝殿です。
Kore, this. Haiden is the front shrine, the hall of worship. This is the hall of worship.
これは拝殿です。拝殿に行く前に手水屋で手や口を清めます。
Haiden, hall of worship. Iku means to go. Haiden ni iku, to go to the hall of worship. Mae in this case shows a point in time, meaning before. Haiden ni kumae ni, before going to the hall of worship. Chouzuya is a place for ritual cleansing of hands and mouth with water when visiting shrines. Chouzuya de, at the chouzuya. Te means hand. Kuchi, mouth. Te ya kuchi, hands and mouth. Kiyomeru means to cleanse or to purify. Te ya kuchi or kiyomeru, to cleanse one's hands and mouth. One cleanses their hands and mouth at the chouzuya before going to the hall of worship.
拝殿に行く前に手水屋で手や口を清めます。そして賽銭箱に賽銭を入れて祈ります。
そして is a conjunction used to give additional information, similar to and then. Saisen is the monetary offering to the gods at a shrine, and saisen bako is the offertory box used to collect the saisen. Ireru means to put in. Saisen bako ni saisen o ireru, to put offertory money in the offertory box. Inoru means to pray. Saisen o irete inoru, to put offertory money in and pray. And then one puts money in the offertory box and prays.
そして賽銭箱に賽銭を入れて祈ります。
Now let's watch the entire video and see how much you can understand.
これは横浜にある小さな神社です。この神社は根神社と言います。入り口には大きな鳥居があります。神社の前には両側に狛犬がいます。狛犬とは神社を守る獣です。右にあ行で、左に運行です。ここに猿田彦様の像もあります。これは拝殿です。拝殿に行く前に手水屋で手や口を清めます。そして賽銭箱に賽銭を入れて祈ります。